If you're going to the Oregon Dental Conference this week, there's one free resource that you're going to want to grab, especially if you're a new practice owner or not 100% confident in your compliance. I'm Kelly with Healthcare Compliance Associates, and we help Oregon dental practices simplify OSHA, HIPAA, and infection control. We'll be exhibiting Thursday and Friday, April 9th and 10th. We work with dental teams across Oregon. Most practices just want to know, are we doing this right? First, come see us at the Oregon Dental Conference, April 9th and 10th. We'll be at booth 810. It's right toward the front, so you can't miss us. We'll be there answering questions and helping practices get clear on what they actually need. We're giving away a free dental practice owner compliance checklist. This walks you through OSHA, HIPAA, infection control, and Oregon specific requirements in a really practical way. So what you want to do is stop by booth 810 and grab a copy. It's a great starting point. And if you want to take it a step further, we also offer a free 20-minute compliance risk review. That's where we help you understand where your practice stands right now and what to do to improve. No pressure, just clarity. So if you're attending, please come check out booth 810. Say hi to me, I'll be there. Grab your free checklist, and if you want a clearer picture of your compliance, we can help with that too. We'll see you April 9th and 10th.